How to fix this media is write protected error in Windows. Right-click on the file or folder you wish to modify. Select Properties from the context menu. At the bottom of the Properties window, uncheck the Read-only option. Click Apply, then OK to save changes. Try opening the file again.
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
Replace X with the actual disk number, and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter to close diskpart. Type regedit in Windows Search and press Enter to open the registry editor. If the This media is write protected error persists only when using a particular app, you can repair or reset it.
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.